I get the money, I feel make sense and live. Yeah, do me. Take care of me business every time. But the only thing that on me mind. Dollar, gotta get the money. No fame, give me fortune. Millions of beer in us, so me no need no bunch.
Alkaline. No fame, give me the fortune. Millions of beer in us.
Oh no, play me DJ. I wanna rap. Play my blood clot DJ. I'm gonna shut that selector boy. Hold on a pussy, you know, that 5 against me thing. Suck on a mama. Hey, yeah, me too. Hey, move around.
So young say boy Jambisco, I'm back with another hit and I smashing out. Done so me I deal with today already. You see me? From the see from the title. You don't know who we are deal with. You see me? Mr. Vendetta boss himself. Mr. Dem can't ball queen. You see me? Yeah man, we talk about the black hair boy man. You don't know. The youngest and the baddest. Young lad. Who me I talk about? You must know who me I talk about already, people. You used to the channel already, you see me? You don't know who me I talk about. I talk about none of Alkaline man. Him and the Vendetta boss. Bush move himself. Yeah man, the man drop a new song. Just a few hours ago. About what, 9-10 hours ago? Yeah man, entitled, in drop last night. You see me? Entitled We Up. Alkaline, you see me? Entitled We Up. And yeah, we're definitely gonna check it out today and see what I go on. See if it's a hit or a miss, you see me? So you don't know people who do it always. You see me? If you're new to the channel, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And turn on your post notification bell so you get my videos as soon as I upload them. For my returning viewers and subscribers, you guys are the greatest. I really appreciate everything you guys are doing. You know, we just keep getting better and better, man. And I really appreciate everything you guys are doing for me. So I really appreciate it. I want to thank you guys for always showing love and support. So real talk, I appreciate y'all. One moment. So yes guys, without further ado, we're gonna jump right in the track. This is Alkaline, We Up. This is Alkaline, We Up. Let's get it.
More than 30 pound the wrist. But if I don't be on the list, so we have the illness them now. Go tell the cause of politics.
Where man say a while ago? More than what the pan him wrist? More than what the pan him wrist? Oh man say more than 30 pound me wrist. Holy pa dopey pound me lit.
Wake up I'm smoking on the cannabis. I woke my man in the blind and watch me like an analyst. Now stop shot.
What is that? What is that? Do I must smoke on the cannabis? Yo, people, we have to take it from the top. I have to take it from the top. I apologize, but we have to do this. We have to do this right. You see me? I jump right back and this is Alkaline, We Up. We have to take it from the top. Let's get it.
More than 30 pound the wrist. But if I don't be on the list, so the illness them now. Go tell the cause of politics now.
Oh, holy, hey, more than 30 pound the wrist. Holy, dopey on the list. You say we are the illest. They now go tell the cause of politics.
Wake up I'm smoking on the cannabis. I woke my man in the blind and watch me like an analyst. Now stop shy.
Man say my bill of vibe smoking on the cannabis. Yo, now stop because I'm watching like an analyst. Oh, bless the man, no cuss ya. Talk it and nigga, sir. I forget the girl how much my pay that. Can't no boy, no give me the chat. Oh, bless no man, no curse. Talk it and nigga. Not to the burn, I know my buckle. Mad them for see how we are flash. Yeah, we up. Take care of me business every time. Are the only thing that on me mind. Dollar, gotta get the money. I feel mix. We up, are the only thing that on my mind right now. Sense and lip, yeah, do me. Take care of me business every time. Are the only thing that on me mind. Dollar, gotta get the money. Hard work, will leap hours, and we make time to rest. Google back them all in one for play checkers. Hard work, will leap hours, and we make time for the rest. And not just a rookie them, we not see them, watch them afraid. Man, we not call it, but fans say we are the best. No hard to tell. Who are going to get that to the doctor? Be patient, we tell you we want better. Us we are pre-bag a car, gal a slurp on the star, me and the ups. Us we are pre-bag a car, gal a slurp on the star. Beef.
them apart, you're mad never. Good thing whenever from the people just imagine. Wouldn't take a half, you know, so like a lot in a angel.
Yo, good thing when I follow people, just imagine. Yo.
Don't lie, that them don't lie. Don't worry if me alright, you know again. Just know we up. Take care of my business every time. I the only thing that on my mind. Dollar, gotta get the money. I feel make sense and live, yeah, dummy.
Easy the dark, easy the mother car up right now, you see me? Man in crew up right now. The only thing upon their mind are the box right now. You see me now play house and car. Be a girl slurp on the star. Right now man good, man not pre no fuck right now. You see me one life nice. Fuck like easy.
Take care of my business every time. I the only thing that on my mind. Dollar, gotta get the money. No fame, give me fortune. Millions of beer in a some in the need no bathroom. I feel nice. Coulda learned this in a classroom. Never want work for nobody in no costume.
Man say what? It feel not. Wait, we have to pull up the party. We have to pull up the party, man. Come on here.
Gotta get the money. I feel make sense and live, yeah, dummy. Take care of my business every time. I the only thing that on my mind. Dollar, gotta get the money. No fame, give me fortune. Millions of beer in a some in the need no bathroom.
No fame, give me the fortune. Millions of beer in a. Me no need no bathroom.
Show feel nice. Coulda learned this in a classroom. Never want work.
Yo, we feel nice. Couldn't learn this in a classroom. Hey!
Work for nobody in no costume. That's why me day in my zone. Like me in my phone. I'ma know me if I make.
Nah, work for nobody like me in no costume. I feel in my zone. Yo!
Kitty from Mission alone because man have some dreams. Dreams. Watch you not take over yet at that one. Now if you do nothing for you, them gal in my band. One pool, get my pan and land. Yard space, take up about 3 hours than a fan. Money low, till it a jump. Rain all falling on the.
Yo, guys. Please let me know what y'all think in the comment section. You feel me? If you think it's fire, drop the fire emoji. Let me know where y'all watching from. You don't know, some kind of goon on shout out. Let me know what y'all want to see, man. But definitely let me know what you think of the song. Do you like the lyrics? Do you like its diction? Do you like the beat? Whatever you like, let me know about what you know and think about this song. Let me know what you think about the music in the comment section below. And definitely please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell so you get my videos as soon as I upload them. And definitely go show the artist some love. You see me? Show the artist some support if I like the song. Definitely go check out Alkaline music. You see me? And show him some love and make you know that Jambisco sent you. You see me? Definitely, man. I really appreciate everything you guys, man. Yeah, man, I kind of kill it right now, man. I kind of kill the game right now. You see me, man, I do him thing, dog. And yeah, man, I do him thing right now. And him song, them shot and the vibes and thing, man. Rate it, man. Yeah, man, we could check the rest of the song right now, guys. Mad thing. We up by all.
No, man, we are stuck. If you do it like that, you're fool. If you're not seeing the game, get that. We up. Take care of me business every time. We up. Are the only thing that on me mind. We up. Dollar, gotta get the money. While up with cash money, enough can't done it. We up. Take care of me business every time. Are the only thing that on me mind. Dollar, gotta get the money. More than 30 pound the wrist.
30 pound the wrist.
If I don't be pound.
Yeah, man. Real dope track from Alkaline, man. Yeah, man. Clap him. Guntal out for it, real dope track, man, from Alkaline, man. You see me? Just the other day, I check him and say, yo, Alkaline, I'm checking a new tune. Wanna go on, you see me? Just the other day, I check, man. I don't know, a couple of days ago, I came here when me asked the blood clot, me asked the universe, but a couple of days later, like, this man, when you come and say, oh, Alkaline drop a new tune, I say, oh, Alkaline, but just check you out here. Well, yeah, a real dope track. It's definitely check out the Alkaline. It's called We Up. I don't know, really dope track. It's in a really modern type song. He's talking about what's going on right now. You know, man, I said about 30 pan him wrist. You know, no called dopey pan him wrist. You see me? You know, say them act right now, but you're not gonna hear because of politics. You see me? I say basically, I say politics and you know, people hide, pay for hide information and all these things. So they not really say, yo, you do it well and all this. But man, I do damn good. The last couple of songs in drop, the great views. You feel me? Great, really dope views, like really great numbers. Like, so yeah, man, I'm interested really dope track. I'm interested to see what he got, what else he got in store, what else songs he's gonna release. I don't know, Alkaline was dropping in bangers. You know, and the youngest and the baddest. But yeah, man, really dope track from Alkaline, guys. Definitely let me know what y'all think in the comment section. Let me know what songs y'all want to see, what y'all want to react to, and I'm gonna also do that. So yeah, man. Yeah, so once again, guys, new to the channel, please like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on your post notification bell. You know, tell your friends and co-workers, your enemies about it to check it out. You know what I'm saying? Turn the views and subscribe. You guys are the littest. You guys are the best. Don't know, we have dope videos coming. Stay tuned. Don't know what I think. Stay tuned, man. You're not gonna be disappointed. You see me? So yes, once again, it's your boy Jambisco. I was here now. I hit that and smashing banger. Until next time, guys. Love you guys. Stay safe.